Hey there, dreamers. Are you ready to unlock the incredible power of manifestation? Imagine having the ability to manifest your dreams and desires in just 24 hours. Well, guess what? In this mind-blowing video, we're going to reveal a powerful technique that will do just that. I'm thrilled to dive deep into the secrets of the law of attraction and the law of assumption. We will explore how visualization and affirmations play a vital role in manifesting your goals. Get ready to learn practical techniques that will help you achieve your heart's desires. But hold on, we won't stop there. We'll guide you through breathing exercises and meditation tips that will help you stay focused, reduce stress, and create the perfect mindset for manifestation success. And here's the exciting part. We'll delve into the profound teachings of Neville Goddard, a spiritual teacher who believed that anything is possible when you harness the power of your mind. Discover how his teachings can propel you towards manifesting your dreams in just one day. So, if you've ever wished for the extraordinary ability to manifest your dreams, this video is a must-watch. Prepare to be empowered and equipped with the knowledge and techniques that can transform your life. Before we dive into the exciting content of this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our empowering and transformative content. Let's begin. Understanding the human mind is essential for this technique to be effective and successful. Our brains can process 11 million pieces of information per second. That means that whatever thoughts or ideas we feed it will eventually become reality if we take action. Aligning our energy with the universe is key to unlocking its divine power and instantly manifesting what we want in life. By understanding how our minds work and how they interact with the universe, we have an opportunity to tap into a powerful source of energy that brings about manifestation quickly. Visualizing and creating a vision board helps load new information into our subconscious mind, so we remember it when trying to manifest something. Creating visuals such as images or words also helps keep us motivated towards achieving those goals faster than relying solely on mental affirmations, which can easily be forgotten due to competing tasks. We must focus on positive thought processes, as negativity could lead to undesired consequences such as attracting bad luck or negative energies into our lives instead of prosperity and good fortune. When learning how manifestation works, it is important not only to take advantage of the power, but also to do it properly by paying attention to all the details. This includes understanding the human mind correctly before proceeding with implementation. Having faith without doubt is crucial for manifestation, believing wholeheartedly that you will achieve your goals no matter what obstacles may come your way during your journey. By applying this powerful technique through visualization, understanding one's own thoughts, and connecting them with the universe, we can bring about desired outcomes quickly while simultaneously nurturing physical, mental, spiritual, and emotional well-being. So why wait? Start applying these simple steps today so you can start living out what Neville Goddard called the greatest adventure there is, the adventure within. Manifesting our desires is an art that many of us are trying to master. The power of manifesting has long been known to bring life-changing and even life-saving results, so it is important to understand the basics of how to achieve successful manifestation. Further in this video, we will discuss the powerful technique revealed by Neville Goddard that combines breathing techniques and visualization for successful manifestation in a few hours. Learning to breathe properly can be the key to calming one's mind and preparing for successful manifestation. Taking 4-second long breaths while inhaling and exhaling, as well as practicing Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing, can help with this process. This will create a peaceful environment within your being, allowing you to focus on what needs manifesting more easily without distracting thoughts or emotions getting in the way. Visualization and manifesting processes are the next steps in achieving desired realities, despite all the distractions in life around us. Having faith, being consistent, and working on controlling our minds are foundational steps that must be taken when aligning energies with achieving desired outcomes through successful manifestation. Visualizing exactly what you want before going into a meditative state allows your subconscious mind to take over, where it can bear fruit faster than conscious attempts at manifesting. Having an uncluttered mental state is essential for creating an environment that breeds successful manifestations more effectively than any other method available today. Be sure not to let clutter of thoughts run through your head daily. Instead, focus on positive affirmations such as "I am worthy" or "I am capable," which will help you stay focused on your goal instead of getting distracted by doubts or worries about future outcomes. Our eyes receive all kinds of stimuli from our environment, which can cause subconscious noise in our brains if left unchecked. This can make it difficult to remain focused on what we want and keep unwanted noise away. That's why practicing concentration and being mindful of what we take in with our eyes is key when it comes to manifesting anything that we desire. The breathing technique is an amazing tool that helps us calm the mind rather than control it. Breathing exercises involve controlling the energy around the eyes by focusing on air moving through your nose, mouth, and lungs while sitting quietly for a few minutes each day. With regular practice, this exercise will help distress your mind when feeling restless or overwhelmed by outside influences. Yoga and meditation are also great practices for long-term brain health, as well as digestive and respiratory benefits. They also make us more conscious about what goes into our minds, especially when trying to manifest something using Neville Goddard's law of assumption or any other practice related to goal setting and the law of attraction, such as visualizations and affirmations. The combination of all these techniques makes us more aware of ourselves and how much power lies within us, so that whatever we want can be manifested easily without much struggle or effort. Meditation isn't about not thinking at all. It is about calming the mind and allowing yourself to enter a state of nothingness in which your brain is free from distractions. To do this, focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold for 5 seconds, then exhale slowly through pursed lips. Keep doing so until you feel relaxed and connected with yourself. Once you have achieved a meditative state, visualize or imagine what it would be like if your desire was already fulfilled or manifested into reality. Feel the emotions associated with having what you desire: joy, happiness, contentment, as if it has already happened. This will help create an energetic frequency that will attract what you want into existence. Now comes the most important part: releasing control over how or when things will happen. Have faith in the cosmos that everything happens as it should. Trust that what we want is coming soon. The perfect time to manifest something is when external information, such as noise from the outside world, pauses or stops. During these moments are when we can access our subconscious mind more easily without any distractions getting in our way. At last, remember one last step. Have confidence in yourself and know that anything can be achieved with enough belief. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey of manifestation mastery. By understanding and implementing the powerful techniques discussed in this video, you now have the keys to unlock the infinite possibilities of the universe and manifest anything your heart desires within just 24 hours. Whether it's through the art of visualizations, the power of affirmations, the serenity of mindful breathing exercises, or the profound practice of meditation with the teachings of Neville Goddard, these tools serve as your compass to tap into a boundless source of energy that swiftly brings about manifestation. Now go forth and manifest your dreams with unwavering faith and determination. The adventure within awaits you. God bless you and your family.